Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to set up products and prices in Stripe. Whether you're a small business owner or running an e-commerce platform, this guide will help you manage your Stripe pricing strategies effectively. To get started, navigate to Stripe's website. Once there, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the login page. Enter your email and password to access your Stripe account. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure to do so first, as it will give you access to all the features we are going to explore. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of your recent activities and settings. To start adding products, find the section labeled Product Catalog. This is your go-to place for managing all product-related details in Stripe. Click on it to view your current products or add new ones. To create a new product, select Create Product. This action will open up a form where you can input the details of your product. Begin by entering the product's name. Make sure it's clear and indicates exactly what the product or service is about. Next, add a description. This is an excellent opportunity to provide additional context and highlight the unique features or benefits of your offering. After entering the name and description, upload an image. An appealing image can significantly enhance the product's visibility and appeal to your customers. It's also important to select a suitable product tax code, especially if different tax rules apply to your product categories. Choose one that best fits the nature of your product. Following the tax code selection, you'll be asked to choose between a recurring or a one-off payment plan for your product. This decision depends on whether you're offering your product as a subscription or a one-time purchase. After making this choice, it's time to add a price and select the currency. Ensure the price reflects the value of your product and aligns with market standards. Finally, take a moment to review all the information for accuracy. Once satisfied, click on Add Product to complete the process. And just like that, you've successfully set up your product and pricing in Stripe, ready to be sold to your customers. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and having your product listed accurately will lay a strong foundation for handling transactions smoothly. By following these steps, you'll be optimizing your Stripe product setup for better customer engagement and streamlined payment processing. Good luck with your Stripe endeavors, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.